If your Epic Games launcher is stuck and won't update, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a quick and simple way to fix it step by step. This is one of those frustrating issues that can happen when the launcher gets stuck on an update loop, fails to download files, or just refuses to move forward. The good news is that in most cases you can solve it without reinstalling everything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, close the Epic Games launcher completely. If it's open in the background, the update process can get stuck and keep failing, so we want to fully shut it down before trying anything else. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the launcher update, so make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working properly. If needed, try refreshing your connection or testing another network. After that, restart your PC. A simple restart can clear temporary system problems and help the launcher start fresh with no leftover update conflicts. Once your computer turns back on, we're going to clear the launcher cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for an Epic Games launcher update problem. To do that, open File Explorer and find the Epic Games launcher cache folder. Look for the Webcache folder and delete it. This folder stores temporary data, and if it becomes corrupted, the launcher may fail to update correctly. Don't worry, deleting it is safe because the launcher will recreate it the next time it opens. Now, reopen the Epic Games launcher and try updating again. In many cases, this will be enough to get everything working normally. If the update still doesn't go through, take a moment to double check that your internet is stable and that no other background issues are affecting the launcher. The goal here is to give the app a clean restart with a fresh cache and a stable connection. So to quickly recap, close the launcher, check your internet connection, restart your PC, delete the Webcache folder, and then open the launcher again and try updating. These basic steps solve a lot of Epic Games launcher update issues, especially when the problem is caused by corrupted cache files or a temporary system glitch. If this video fixed your problem, please hit like and subscribe because that really helps the channel and lets me make more tutorials like this. And if you want, I can also show you more Epic Games launcher troubleshooting steps in a follow-up video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.